She is interested. Learning new languages. Options A. At. Options B. On. Options C. In. Options D. With. Here, correct answer is option C, in. We use interested in when talking about something we enjoy or want to learn more about. For example, he is interested in history. They are interested in traveling. That's why she is interested in learning new languages is correct. The cat is hiding. The table. Options A. Under. Options B. Above. Options C. Between. Options D. Beside. Here, correct answer is options A. Under. We use under when something is below or beneath another object. For example, the shoes are under the bed. The dog is sleeping under the chair. That's why the cat is hiding under the table is correct. They arrived. The airport early. Options A. In. Options B. At. Options C. On. Options D. To. Here, correct answer is options B. At. We use at when talking about specific locations or points. For example, they arrived at the hotel. She is waiting at the bus stop. That's why they arrived at the airport early is correct. We have been waiting an hour. Options A. Since. Options B. For. Options C. From. Options D. At. Here, correct answer is your options B. For. We use for when talking about a duration of time. For example, they have lived here for 5 years. I have been working for 2 hours. That's why we have been waiting for an hour is correct. The book is the table. Options A. In. Options B. On. Options C. At. Options D. Under. Here, correct answer is options B. On. We use on when something is placed on a surface. For example, the phone is on the table. There is a picture on the wall. That's why the book is on the table is correct. She goes to school. Bus. Options A. By. Options B. On. Options C. In. Options D. With. Here, correct answer is options A. By. We use by when talking about a mode of transport. For example, they traveled by train. He goes to work by car. That's why she goes to school by bus is correct. I will meet you Monday. Options A. On. Options B. In. Options C. At. Options D. By. Here, correct answer is options A. On. We use on when talking about specific days or dates. For example, my birthday is on Friday. They have a meeting on December 10th. That's why I will meet you on Monday is correct. The kids are playing. The park. Options A. In. Options B. On. Options C. At. Options D. By. Here, correct answer is options A, in. We use in when talking about being inside a place or area. For example, the children are playing in the garden. They had a picnic in the park. That's why the kids are playing in the park is correct. He put the keys, the drawer. Options A, in. Options B, on. Options C, at. Options D, under. Here, correct answer is options A, in. We use in when something is inside an enclosed space. For example, the money is in the wallet. She kept the documents in the bag. That's why he put the keys in the drawer is correct. The train is arriving. 5 minutes. Options A, in. Options B, at. Options C, on. Options D, after. Here, correct answer is options A, in. We use in when talking about the time remaining before something happens. For example, the movie starts in 10 minutes. They will be here in an hour. That's why the train is arriving in 5 minutes is correct. He was born 1995. Options A, in. Options B, on. Options C, at. Options D, from. Here, correct answer is options A, in. We use in when talking about years, months, or long periods of time. For example, I was born in July. They moved here in 2010. That's why he was born in 1995 is correct. The teacher is standing. The blackboard. Options A, in front of. Options B, beside. Options C, under. Options D, on. Here, correct answer is options A, in front of. We use in front of when something is positioned before or facing something else. For example, the car is parked in front of the house. She is standing in front of the mirror. That's why the teacher is standing in front of the blackboard is correct. There is a bridge, the river. Options A, across. Options B, under. Options C, in. Options D, above. Here, correct answer is options A, across. We use across when something extends from one side to the other. For example, they built a road across the valley. The boat sailed across the lake. That's why there is a bridge across the river is correct. The meeting will start 3 p.m. Options A, on. Options B, in. Options C, at. Options D, with. Here, correct answer is options C, at. We use at when talking about specific times. For example, the train arrives at 6:30 a.m. Our class starts at 9 o'clock. That's why the meeting will start at 3 p.m. is correct. The dog jumped the wall. Options A, in. Options B, on. Options C, over. Options D, across. Here correct answer is options C, over. We use over when something moves from one side to the other, passing above an object. For example, the cat jumped over the fence. He threw the ball over the roof. That's why the dog jumped over the wall is correct. I have been living here. 2010. Options. A. For. Options. B. Since. Options. C. From. Options. D. At. Here correct answer is options B, since. We use since when talking about the starting point of an action that continues to the present. For example, I have been working here since 2015. She has lived in this city since childhood. That's why I have been living here since 2010 is correct. He is sitting. Me and John. Options A, among. Options B, between. Options C, beside. Options D, near. Here correct answer is options B, between. We use between when referring to something in the middle of two specific people or things. For example, the school is between the hospital and the mall. She sat between her parents. That's why he is sitting between me and John is correct. She is good. Painting. Options A, in. Options B, at. Options C, with. Options D, for. Here correct answer is options B, at. We use at after good when talking about skills or abilities. For example, he is good at playing the guitar. They are good at solving puzzles. That's why she is good at painting is correct. They are traveling train. Options A, on. Options B, by. Options C, in. Options D, with. Here correct answer is options B, by. We use by when talking about a mode of transportation. For example, he goes to work by car. We traveled by plane. That's why they are traveling by train is correct. She put the flowers, the table. Options A, at. Options B, on. Options C, in. Options D, under. Here correct answer is options B, yours on. We use on when something is placed on a surface. For example, the book is on the desk. He placed his phone on the bed. That's why she put the flowers on the table is correct.
If you found this video helpful, let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear your thoughts. If you're here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe for more engaging content to improve your English. Keep practicing and take care.